Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about Facebook chat plugin. So with the help of this plugin you will be able to add a certain functionality with the help of which you will be able to directly chat via Facebook, right? So let me show you. If I go through the live preview section, or you might have seen on many websites that on the right hand side corner you will see a chat plugin which is directly connected to a certain Facebook page, right? And it is not a normal chat plugin, it is linked with Facebook. That's what we are going to see today, right? If I click on demo, then you will see something like this is a chat Facebook chat plugin which is directly connected to a certain like a ninja team page, right? So we will try to make up this plugin working on our website. Like, and if you always want to read the documentation section, you can always come to this website to check it out, right? So first of all, you need to buy this plugin. I am assuming that you have already bought this plugin and it is on your system. In my case, I have already the plugin. I will just come to my website and install it, right? So this is the website on which I am going to install that particular plugin. As you can see, it is youtube.smehranclub.com. This is the website where I generally create tutorial for you people, right? And this is a very fresh e-commerce website which I have made, and if you people want me to make the same website, it's always welcome, right? I will teach you how you can make this amazing looking very beautiful website with super easy step. Just do let me know in the comment section that you are interested or not. So to install the plugin, first of all you need to go to the backend. So to go to the backend, you need to type youtube.smrnclub.com/wp-admin. So basically what I was did that is you need to type your domain name. In my case, this is youtube.smrnclub.com/wp-admin. Then it will be redirected to your dashboard. So basically, if you are logging in for the first time, it will ask you for the username and password which you have entered while you were installing WordPress on your cPanel, right? So on the left hand side you will see multiple setting things. So basically these are some options with the help of which you can always manage your website, modify your website, make changes. Like if you want to create page, you can come here. If you want to add a new theme, you can come here. If you want to create user, you can create multiple user and assign them different role. You can change the setting like permalink setting, structure of URL, and anything. So today we are going to install a plugin. So basically plugin is a file with the help of which a website extends its functionality, right? So if I come here and see what are the installed plugin on my website, it's like Elementor templates, WooCommerce. So basically Elementor is one of the best page builder out there with the help of which you will be able to create some really good looking website, right? And WooCommerce, basically WooCommerce is a plugin with the help of which you will be able to create a e-commerce marketplace online. So basically if you want to create a e-commerce store online, WooCommerce is the best plugin out there, right? So we'll try to add our own plugin. This plugin, we will add this plugin on our website. So before adding the plugin, you will see that there are a lot of free plugin as well available which has been provided by WordPress. But the thing is, there are a lot of limitations in free plugins. So if I take example like Yoast SEO, this is one of the famous plugin when it comes to like what should I say, SEO, right? But the thing is their key features has been locked down on premium plugin. So if you want to use like 5 keywords at a time for on page SEO, you can't use it, right? It has been locked down on the premium plugin of Yoast SEO. So I generally prefer, you if you have a little bit of money to invest upon your business, always invest that money in buying a good theme and a good plugin which is very much suitable for your website, right? So let's upload the plugin. Here I am, select the file. Here's the plugin. I will click on install. Then after clicking on install, it will start uploading the file from your computer to the server. As you can see, it has been uploaded successfully. I just have to click on activate, and as you can see plugin has been activated successfully. Now let's set it up. As you can see, there is an option of Facebook chat. Click here, and it will ask us to create a widget. Name it anything. I will name it as FB. Okay, and this is the widget which we will get. This is super easy. Like, okay, first of all you need to connect your Facebook page. You can always connect your Facebook page by clicking here, connect to Facebook. I will not connect any of my pages because of my own privacy issues, but it's simple. You just need to click on continue with your particular Facebook account and select one Facebook page, right? Super easy. Okay, apart from that, when you have selected your Facebook pages, click on chat bubble. What kind of chat logo do you want? If you want like calendar, you can have that. If you want like this, I generally prefer to go with this one because this is the decent Facebook icon as well. Okay, and what is the chat header do you want? The Facebook photo, and you can always change the photograph. Like if you select from the library, these are the photographs which has been default provided. I'll not go with this one. You can always upload a custom one, right? And like this one, if you want this to be your icon, you can always have that. Okay, coming back, you can always change the name also, right? If you want it to be like Ashu, you can always have it, right? Coming back here, a welcome message. What do you want as a welcome message when somebody sees this? Hi, hello, this is the perfect message. Okay, you can always change it according to you by clicking here and typing anything. Okay, start chat button. Yeah, like this is the button which has the text. You can always change the text with super easy steps. After that, you need to set up the things like which position do you want this chatbot to be. Like if you go in position, there are three positions: left, right, or center. I generally prefer to go with the right section. And do you want it to be enabled as chat window? Like it will open as a different chat. I don't suggest you. It's always good to have a floating bubble, right? Coming back, a chat display setting. So where do you want to display it, right? On all pages, exclude all pages, specific pages. I generally prefer you to go for the all pages display for all the visitor, new the visitor, returning visitor. If you have a e-commerce website and returning visitors are like somebody bought a item from a website and he's coming back to see, then he only those person will see the chatbot. I generally prefer you to go for the all visitor settings. Okay, cool. And open chat when you want your chat to be triggered. Okay, I want it to be triggered just after 1 second when the page is load up. Okay, and site on, if somebody is stayed on our site for 1 second then load up. Scroll down, yeah, when it is scroll down for like 2% then load up. Exit intern, no, I don't want it. Notification, like this is checked, this is perfectly fine. And style, what kind of color do you want for your own chatbot? If you want the icon to be like little bit of reddish, then you can have it. The button color, do you want it to be yellowish? You can have it, but it won't sync perfectly. Let it be red for the moment so that it will sync perfectly. So this is the general settings for this setting up the whole Facebook plugin. You just need to save and exit. Then you will get a shortcode. We need to copy this shortcode and paste it on any of your pages. So basically, I am using Elementor, but the process is pretty same. If you are using any kind of thing, you just need to add this particular shortcode on a new page. Like here, you just add the page shortcode between your page and publish it or update it. So right now I'm using Elementor. I will click on edit with Elementor and I will create a section, and there I will add this particular shortcode. So basically Elementor enables the whole what should I say, flexibility to edit each and every section so perfectly that you have no idea. As you can see, I have already added, but I will delete this, add a new section, and under that section I will add a HTML section and I'll paste that particular code. Okay, let's update it. Coming back to the website and I will refresh it. Okay, as you can see, the plugin has been successfully added, and this is the preloaded text which it will send you always whenever the what should I say, the website is loaded. And you can always start chatting with you can always connect the Facebook page and everything will be started automatically. So I hope you really get my point how super easy it is to add a Facebook chatbot on your website. So I want to wrap this video up by saying if you really like this video, just give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.